Hello, hello, and good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, says Madison. It's Maddie and Madison with Spectrum Art Creations, and we wanted to share really quick, just do a walkthrough, a flip through of the beautiful Graphic 45 Mother Goose bookcase and brag book kit. We finally completed ours, so we figured we'd come on and show you what we've done. Now, the bookcase we did together in a class here at Spectrum Art Creation. So if you've never joined us for a class, make sure that you do, because it sure is a whole lot of fun when we craft together. So make sure that you join us on Saturdays for our live sales. Make sure you join us also in our Facebook group, and then of course at spectrumartcreations.com, because we have classes and they change every month. Well, the new classes every week just about, but you definitely want to join us and be able to create along. So the bookcase we did together in a craft along class. Then we had the brag books to put together, and we did those. Let me move that. I want to get that tangled. My beautiful piece. We did the brag books on the 4th of July. We actually hopped on really quick live. So Madison and I were sitting here and she said, hey, why don't we go live? And I figured, hey, we're going to put together books. We might as well just go live, and in case anyone needs to know how to put together the books, and not only these books, any, because the system is the same no matter what, right? You are going to have your front covers, you're going to have your spine, you're going to have your signatures, and you're going to have your inside covers. All of that we did live. So if you want to follow along and it has measurements, you most certainly can watch that video. I will be sure to link it down below. Now, in addition to that, Graphic 45 has a full tutorial, two videos on how to put the whole thing from beginning to end together. So I'll link that down below as well. The kit, of course, we have available at our online store. So if you're interested in purchasing the kit, that link will also be down there. So we'll have lots of link for you guys. But let's walk through the actual brag books, right? So, and by the way, I have kind of an announcement to make, but I don't know how much I can give away. It's going to be a surprise. There is going to be another video doing something like this, but completely different. So there's your teaser. As soon as Graphic 45, it's something that I did for the design team for Graphic 45. As soon as they release that video, I will come back in and link that in the description box as well. So in case you watch this, you can go and watch that other one and get even more ideas. And that's all I'm going to say about that. So just a teaser, but let's look at these really cute books. Now, I did the spines just like Graphic 45 did, following their tutorial. I did, and they have like how to decorate all the pages, and all that will be available for you too. But I did mine a little bit different. I did use the journaling cards in the front, but I left them completely uncovered because I want someone to be able to write, what's going to be in here, maybe a poem or a sentiment or a thought. So say, for example, you're giving this to your grandchild or your niece or somebody else, right? And again, because of the Mother Goose theme line, I'm thinking that this is a great gift for a child, right? For their room, for them to keep photos and maybe some postcards or maybe greeting cards that they receive for their first birthday, all that good stuff. So if you're giving this, you can write a poem or a sentiment, or maybe write about maybe the year that this would be covering, like let's say the first year, second year, third year. But I left them blank for that reason, so they can be journaled on. And let's kind of just flip through them really quick. I did lots of areas where you could actually mount photos, or again, a poem or a thought or a sentiment, or maybe even something that you journal on. So you'll see plenty of room for that. Here you have a little pocket where you can tuck in. I've tucked in one of the Graphic 45 tags just so that you could actually see that there's a spot there, but you could put anything. You could put a letter or a photo or something like that in there as well. Here we've used the chipboard and we've created this little tuck spot. In addition to, you have a large pocket here and another large pocket here. On this side, we've used a journaling card, one of the ones from the kit, and we've created a little flip. So again, you have all of this area to work with, in addition to back here, right? And then you just kind of tuck it all back underneath the belly band. Here we have a large card with a pocket. All of this, once again, is journaling room. Oh, it's upside down. And this is a perfect mat for a photo too. On this side, we've got Mother Goose herself with a little bit of a label for you to write on. Here, once again, you can insert a photo, and you've got a half a pocket on the bottom. I've left all of the centers fully blank, empty, so that way, again, you have plenty of room to journal or write as well, right? By matting that with our photos. Here, we've got a pocket here and a pocket here, so that's a double pocket. I've used one of the journaling cards to create a little mini flip out here page, and once again, something that you could mat. And then another one here, and again, you can insert your photos here and here. On this side, we've got a side pocket, and I've left together these two cards so that it creates like a little mini book. We could sew in some paper and create a little mini journaling book or writing book, or you could also use photos in here, right? On this side, what did we do? Oh, I think this is a top tuck. I've created so many like little things in here that it's hard to remember them all, but yes, this is a top tuck. I think that was the only thing on here. Oh, no, I left a pocket at the top. So you've got all kinds of places where you could hide all kinds of things in here, right? So you can have all kinds of hidden little notes. Here we've used one of the postcards, which flips out and it opens this way, and then it tucks back in, and you have all of this to write on. Here on this side, we've got a little side pocket here and another top tuck there. And that completes book number 1. And you can see, I mean, we've got that much more room that we could add. So once we add all of the photos, once we add all of the little notes and secret messages or keepsakes and mementos, this will actually have plenty of room in between all of these signatures to grow with it without, becoming, all alligator mouth, right? It'll have plenty of room because right now this is where we're at. Okay. And I left room on all of them. Then let's do this one next. We've got Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Here we've got another one of those little mini journal books, and it tucks there. We've got a pocket here and another giant pocket there. You know what? Let's put in a card here so I don't forget where they're at. We've used some of our stickers here. Here we've used another sticker, which is Humpty Dumpty, and here is Little Boy Blue. This actually flips out this way to show you Mary, Mary, quite contrary. Tucks back in. You've got another pocket here. So see, there's plenty of, as you can see from the white tags, lots of just hidden little gems. I think this one was just on top, yeah. I mean on here in this pocket. Here you have a place to journal. That flips into another mini page with a little tuck spot, and then it flips again, reveals the center, once again fully open for, for many opportunities. Here we have a little tuck on that side using the chipboard element. Here we've used a postcard and it's going sideways, and we've created a double pocket out of that. Over here we have this little flip, and it says Rockabye Baby, and it's got the baby ephemera on it. It flips out to reveal Humpty Dumpty falling, and then of course you've got a journaling spot there. Another one here. Lots of great space here. This is, also a side tuck with a little mini flip pages book. And then, of course, we have the back of our second journal or brag book. Here is the third one. This one's got this side tuck right here. One right here with the chipboard, as well as two. Wait, did we do this one already? We did. Oh, my heavens. My heavens. I'm putting them away as I go, and then I forget. Did we do this one? No, we haven't done this one. This is the one we were missing. Sorry. So here is Humpty Dumpty. Somebody walked through the door, and I forgot what I was doing. We have a great Mother Goose opening front cover, page to this one. I love the moon. Just looking up at Mother Goose like, oh. Here we've got another one of those little mini books. We have one of the coins hanging from Mary Had a Little Lamb. On this side here, we've got a nice large insert. Once again, can be made into a book or photo areas. We have another one of the stickers here. Plenty of room to write, to journal, and then of course a super large pocket in there. Here we've got another one of these cool pockets. And there's another one there, see? Sometimes I forget where I've put pockets because nothing better than pockets inside of pockets. Then we've got our center mats. We've got here a nice large pocket for another big journaling card if we want to. And then I believe, isn't this one down here too? Oh yeah. Oh, hang on. I think our little goose, there you go. So there's another one there. Then we made another one of those little books using the journaling card Rockabye Baby. Plenty of mat there. We've used one of our stickers here, and then this is just some fussy cut from the paper themselves. I think I left this blank. I don't think there's any pockets here. No. Then we've got a pocket here. How does your garden grow, right? And then little Miss Muffet is sitting on her tuffet. Here is another half a pocket on this side. Lots to write on. And of course our back cover once again, where we can create even another pocket or anything that we want to add later. So we've got all of that. And again, see how much room there is. There is plenty of room for this thing to grow. That completes the 3 brag books. So amazing how many, did you guys count how many tags and pockets and flips we got in there? In addition to all of that, guess what? We still have all of this left from the kit. I really tried, as you can tell with how much I inserted on there, to just finish up the pad, but I couldn't. We still have metal and rings. We still have all of these scraps in here. We have all of this chipboard. Look at this. And fussy cut images. We've got stuff for days. I could probably make a second one. Our instructions, which comes with the kit, by the way. And we still have all of these papers. These are, the larger pieces of paper. Look how many I still have. All of these beautiful stamps too. Then we've got all of these stickers still left. I didn't even put a dent in the stickers, guys. And I used plenty, you saw. But, there's just that much. And then we still have all of these. We still have the front cover, which we can use all of that. It's a deluxe, collector's edition kit. So it comes with a lot of stuff. Definitely a great value, I would say. So yeah, so we have all of that still left, in addition to, of course, now having our amazing brag book and bookcase. So we hope that you guys have found some ideas here for how to actually create some cute little spots inside of your journals, be it this kit or any other journal that you're making. And that you will definitely fall in love with this kit. Again, you could use any of the paper lines because it is just a beautiful thing to have. And then you can also keep your Mother Goose paper for something else, right? So, and that's one of the things that I've done. Again, a teaser, you will see it in the next upcoming video, which hopefully I'll be linking down below soon by the time maybe that you've watched this later on in a couple of weeks or so. Thank you so much for joining us today. We certainly hope that you will give it a try and that you've gotten some inspiration here today. You guys have a great day. Bye.